Delsey's dad gives her permission to download songs on the computer. Each song takes 27 seconds to download. Delsey begins this table to show the relationship between the number of songs and the time needed for download. There's a table right there. Question number 1. Which numerical expression should Delsey record for 3 songs? Okay, and you wouldn't add 3 plus 27. You wouldn't divide 27 by 3. And you wouldn't subtract 3 from 27. But you would multiply 3 times 27 to figure out how many seconds it would take to download 3 songs. Question number 2. How many seconds will it take Delsey to download 4 songs? And that would be 27 times 4. 27 times 4. 4 times 7 is 28. And 4 times 2 is 8 plus 2 is 10. So that's 108 seconds. Question number 3. Delsey extends a table. Which pair of input and output values could not impair in Delsey's extended table? So we really need to go through and check all these to see if they'll work. So first thing we'll do is 12 times 27 and see if it equals 324. So 12 times 27. 7 times 2 is 14. And 7 times 1 is 7 plus another 1 is 8. Done with that now. Put a 0 mark my place value. 2 times 2 is 4. And 2 times 1 is 2. We add that up. That's 4. That's 12. So 324. That does work. So we'll go ahead and eliminate that one. Next one we'll do is 27 times 20. So 27 times 20. That's 0. 7 times 2 is 14. 2 times 2 is 4, plus another one is 5. So 540. Okay, I'm thinking that one may be my one that would not end up on there. We need to check the other ones though. Okay, so the next one I'll do is 27 times 21. 1 times 7 is 7, 1 times 2 is 2, 0 mark my place value. 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. That's 7, that's 6, that's 5, so 567. So that would be on my table, so I can eliminate that one. So the last one we'll do is 27 times 18. 27 times 18. 8 times 7 is 56. 8 times 2 is 16, plus 5 would be 21. Okay, done with the 5 now. Put a 0 mark my place value. 7 times 1 is 7. And then 1 times 2 is 2. Add that up, that's 6. That's 8. That's 4. So 486. So that one would be on my table, so I can eliminate that one. So my answer choice is B. Question number 4. Mrs. Green's art students need colored pencils for a project. She writes a rule to show the relationship between the number of colored pencils available and the number of students who can complete the project. Okay, number of pencils divided by 3 equals the number of students. Mrs. Green creates an input-output table in which the input value is the number of colored pencils available and the output value is the number of students, which could be Mrs. Green's table. So the first answer choice has the input of 36 and the output of 39. And we said the rule was the colored pencils divided by 3, so the output would have to be less, so we can eliminate that answer choice right there. Same thing on the next one right there. It looks like they're multiplying by 3 on that one, so we can eliminate that one. Okay, on the next one we have 48, and then we have 16, 45 and 15, and 42 and 14. So we could go ahead and check that out. So we have 48 divided by 3. 3 goes into 4 one time. That's 3. When you subtract, you get 1 and 18. And 3 goes into 18 6 times. And 6 times 3 is 18. So that works right there. 45 divided by 3. So we got 45 divided by 3. 3 goes in 4 one time. That's 3. Then when we subtract, that gives us 1. 3 goes into 15 5 times. And 3 times 5 is 15. So that one works right there. And then we have 42. And we can kind of see that that works right there because we'll work it out anyway. 42 divided by 3. 3 goes into 4 one time. That's 3. When you subtract, you get 12. 3 goes into 12 4 times. So pretty sure on that one. That looks like that one works for our rule. Let's go ahead and check the last one though, just to be sure. Okay, so we're looking at the last answer choice right there. And the first two there, it looks like they might work out there. That one looks like it might work, and that one looks like it might work. I don't think the last one actually works, so I'm going to check that one first. So that's 94 divided by 3. And 3 goes into 9 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9. Subtract, you get 0, you bring down the 4. And 3 goes into 4 one time. And 3 times 1 is 3, so you end up with a remainder on that one, a remainder of 1. But it's saying that it's 26, so that one doesn't work out either. So H is our correct answer choice.